In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the basics of setting up a printer or scanner on your Windows 10 device. So whether it's a laptop, tablet, or desktop computer, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to initiate that process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, and you want to type in Settings. Best results, you go back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the Devices tile. And now you want to select over on the left side underneath devices where it says printers and scanners. Go ahead and select that. And then select the add a printer or scanner button right here. And then at this point, you can go ahead and try and connect your printer to your Wi-Fi settings. If you've already inputted them, it should appear in this list automatically. So that's one thing I'd recommend doing. So if you have a printer, you might have like a little screen on that printer. See if you can connect the Wi-Fi settings to your home Wi-Fi before going on to this process, or you can select refresh on this page once you've already done so. And you may also want to select the option to select if the printer wasn't listed. You can then manually go ahead and add the printer to your device. And you can also go onto the printer manufacturer's website and see if there are any drivers and related software available for download. And that should have the built-in capabilities of locating your printer on the network. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.